After understanding the classification of additive manufacturing, now we will focus on the scope and application of the additive manufacturing. So, for example, additive manufacturing is applied anywhere where the cost does not matter in the production. For example, in aerospace sector. In aerospace sector, we are generally produce a component where topology optimization is required. Topology optimization means we will optimize the structural creativity of the component. So we will optimize that one. For example, by introducing the lattice structure into the component, we will optimize the lattice structure also, as well as the overall above the head structure of the component. So that is done by using the topology optimization. Apart from that, we will reduce the number of component which is going to assemble together and made a overall component. So the number of component is reduced. Along with that, the component manufacturing which is made by the conventional subtractive manufacturing approach, the machining and these things will be reduced by using this additive manufacturing. So sub component is reduced reduced, and we made able to make a single component. Now in automobile sector, where again the cost does not matter, which kind of automobile, not having the limitation with the cost, there we can use the additive manufacturing. For example, performance vehicle, where we have a design freedom, like we can increase its aerodynamic shape and designs of the component. In that kind of design, we will use the additive manufacturing to produce that kind of car. For example, Formula 1 car. The vintage cars which are now out of the production, the parts is very limited to available in the market. So that kind of parts is easily can be made by using additive manufacturing. So that component can be made very easily by using the additive manufacturing. The another application is in the field of biomedical. For example, patient specific implants we can make very easily by using these techniques. For example, we will scan the human body where replacement is required. For example, skulls of the human body or the dental implants we can scan by using, for example, CT scan, and we will make a replication of that implants, and we can produce by using the AM technique. Another thing is we can replicate a bone structure which are porous in the nature. So we can produce a porous structure which are equivalent to the human bone mechanical strength and characteristics of the human bone. We can make very easily by using the AM techniques. Some other miscellaneous applications of these AM techniques are: we can produce jewelry which are very complex in structure. We can produce an electronics component, for example, camera or laptop components. And it is also used in the field of sports. For example, we can print a tennis bat or some similar kind of sports utilities. Thank you very much.